Hello guys and welcome to the Block Party Trading Daily Analysis. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, US dollar on the daily and looking at the TradingView index, which gives us a full look at the Bitcoin price. We're going to be checking out the macro look at Bitcoin and where we think it's going, where do we think we are in the cycle. It's going to be a few things that we're going to take into consideration in Pi cycle tops, our bespoke BTC curve indicator, and also a little look at the halvings. So as we can see on the Bitcoin indicator curve, we can see that we have touched the bottom, and it is pretty accurate in that every time we seem to touch the bottom, apart from this little section just here, where we breached, but not for very long, we ended up heading straight back up. We spent a very little amount of time in these very lower percentiles. And as we can see here, almost perfectly we broke out. We do have a very long-term macro trend line dating all the way back to November 2016, which is where it started. We had one touch there, and we've just touched it again here. So comparatively, this last dump was pretty bad, not going to lie. But we are starting to rebound a little bit now. That's not to say we can't break on through, and it completely devoids this pattern and indicator. However, it is holding true so far. There is another significant indicator that we're looking at in the Pi cycle, top and bottoms. We've had the bottom back in July of 2022, and as of now, we finally got the confirmation of the reversal, and we are starting to break up, doing, I think, just around about 80% this year alone, which ain't too bad going. However, what we are also looking at as well is the halvings. So in 286 days from now, we're going to be seeing, hopefully, the next Bitcoin halving and the fourth halving. And we pretty much see in the year leading up to these halvings, we start to see price going pretty parabolic. Now, the only exception to this one is the last halving. And this is kind of because we had a little thing called COVID. And with COVID, that caused an absolutely chaotic dump. Now, if we'd have taken the whole COVID crash out of it, and we'd have just carried on regularly with no extreme market movement there, we saw that the COVID crash cost us around about 50% in, just a little under a month kind of thing. If that hadn't have been there, then we'd be looking the other way. And we'd be heading up 100%. So, like I said, with the year leading up to the halving, price generally goes pretty crazy. And with 286 days to go until the halving, we can hopefully expect the same thing. Now, on other analysis, we are expecting to see a little bit of a short-term dump. Not dump, or just at least downward pressure. But pretty much long-term, everything is starting to shape up quite nicely for mid to long-term bullish effect. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps. And if you like this analysis, then give us a like, subscribe, follow us on the channel as well to find this, to get updated with these videos hot off the press. And if you really do love this content, then join our premium channels. You can find all details at blockpartytrading.com. Thanks for watching.